I was glad we had popcorn and that Brendan made us those popcorn balls.
Yeah,
Remember
that made
those?
that made a big difference because you had something to snack on. Bless you. Bless you.
Yeah.
You had something to snack on. I might have lost some. I don't think so, though.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't think I lost a lot of weight the first time, but I don't think if I went on it again that I would lose that much weight.
I did. Yeah, I did the first time. It was bad because stuff was falling off and stuff.
Yeah,
but
me too.
It's not this time. I think my body's in total shock.
Ew, excuse me. Oh my gosh, I better get out of this room.
Yeah.
Do you hear me?
Oh, so this one's somebody else's.
No, then I don't know. Because I put chocolate milk in mine.
All right.
Ew.
Bless you.
Excuse me. Ew.
Is that histology?
Histamines.
Yeah. Bless you. Thanks. Jordan, you want help? Huh? There you go. You're good. Oh my God, Adam. Bless you.
Like.
Oh, bless you.
Thanks. Who sprayed a gallon of hairspray in here?
Cassie and Shelly at the same time.
It was Cassie.
And Shelly at the same time.
Yeah. I can't breathe. Excuse me. Thank you.
You're trying to be all elegant.
Yeah.
Bless you.
What was that you were saying?
I was saying how your nails really accentuate your hair and your ring.
Thank you.